Tommy Moore, let's talk about melons. I'll tell you what, this is a beautiful crop of melons you got here on the 25 acres, and you've got several different varieties here. What's this variety of melon?
This is a Summer Sweet 420 put out by Abbott & Cobb Seed Company.
Tell you what, it looks like a pretty good melon. I bet it cuts well, doesn't it?
It's just as sweet as any you'd want to cut, and it's a highly prolific melon, and for this area here, it produces very well, and it'll run bigger than they advertise it. They advertise 22 to 24 pound, and you can see on here there's a lot of them toward 40 pound on here.
One thing about it this year, too, you don't have any problem selling melons, do you?
No, it's a real good feeling whenever me and my boys is pretty much the only show in town right now, and I'm not bragging about nothing. That's just how it is. It was a hard year to grow anything.
Of course, you've got 25 acres of melons here, and you're not doing it just because Tommy Moore wants to raise melons this year. A lot of this is because you want your two sons to know what it's all about. They grew up in the produce business, but at the same time, everybody can keep their hand in agriculture, can't they?
They can, and my dad taught me what little I know, and he's the best teacher I could ask for in farming, and my boys are around 30, and I want them to at least know how. And they do know how, and they learn more every day. And if we don't keep teaching young folks, old folks are all going to die out, and there's not going to be anybody left to raise anything.
Of course, you keep asking some of these younger folks, you say, what do you know about agriculture? I don't know anything. I could care less. And what are you going to do if you need food? Well, I'll just go to the supermarket. And that seems to be the attitude in much of the country, doesn't it?
Yes, sir. That is the general attitude. And whenever you try to get someone to work out in this field or something, you get laughed at quite a lot. Sweat is not a long suit on a lot of people.
That's where family labor comes in very, very good, right?
You have to have it. You just have to have family labor. And like I said, if we were not rigged up as a family like this, it couldn't be done.
25 acres of watermelons doesn't sound